loves, welcome back to my channel. So starting off with this old matted wash and go that has been in this bun for I don't even know how long, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this spray bottle. It has nothing but water in it, and I'm going to completely saturate my hair, and then I'm going to go in with a little of my LovelyB's Leave It Be leave-in conditioner. You guys, it's finally back in stock. I will leave everything down below for you guys for anyone who was curious before or wants to purchase it after this video. But yeah, I will leave it down below. I'm going to go ahead and go in with that, and then I'm going to use my detangling brush just so I can prep my hair to get it nice and slick back.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest, I know you want it, put some work into it.
Now that my hair is nice and detangled, I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite comb from Petrie Essentials. I'll also leave a link down below for you guys because a lot of people have asked me about this comb. And then I'm going to go in with this slick back cream from AfroSheen. This was actually my first time using it, you guys. It's really thick in the container, but surprisingly, once you like smooth it into your hair, it's not that thick. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this to basically create the mold for my hair. And then you guys know that I like to use two different brushes when I do my hair. I go in with the red brush, which is more like a softer smoothing brush that I use to rub the products into my hair and smooth my hair, and then I go in with my wooden brush, which is a harder brush, like the bristles are a little bit more, I guess, hard, and then they kind of act like a comb to scrape through my hair and to make sure there are no tangles or lumps and that my ponytail is as smooth as possible.
Cause you know that I'm hard to love, it won't be easy, so don't be lazy, just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
So now that I have it nice and slick, I'm going to put my hair in this loose bun, and then I'm going to go in with my LovelyB's Edge Control, and this is what's going to hold everything in place for me. And I'm just going to put this all over the front of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with the smoothing brush, which is the red one. I'm going to spray a little bit of water on it because it helps the product to glide in a little better, and then I'm going to use this to really get my hair nice and slick and in place.
I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
So once everything is nice and slicked back, I'm going to take the hair tie off, and then I forgot to slick the back of my head up. So I'm going to put a little bit of edge control in the back and then use my smoothing brush to smooth it up. And I'm going to put my hair into a tight ponytail, not too tight, but a tighter ponytail than it was before. And then I'm going to do a twist. So I'm going to detangle the ponytail, put it in the twist, and put a rubber band at the end. And then I'm going to put that twist into a tiny bun.
You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest, I know you want it, put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love, it won't be easy, so don't be lazy, just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love.
So tiny bun is in place, and now for the ponytail. So this is a Shake and Go Organic Pony Pro in body waves, 32 inches, you guys. It's a wraparound ponytail. This is one of my favorite ponytails, you guys. For this to be synthetic hair, it does not look like synthetic hair, and it does not feel or act like synthetic hair. Like, it does tangle a bit because it's super long, but it's not bad at all. It detangles super easy. It doesn't get frizzy. You know how sometimes when you detangle synthetic hair in general, ponytails or whatever it is, the ends get like really frizzy and crazy, like kind of blow dried. This does not do that at all. This is like my third time in this video wearing this. I just saved the little tag so that I can remember what the ponytail was. But yeah, I've worn this ponytail so many times. I've worn it again after this. It still looks amazing. It does lose a little bit of the wave if you're constantly combing it out, but this ponytail is so quick and easy, you guys. It's way quicker than using the wefted tracks. And once I get it nice and wrapped and in place, I'm going to go ahead and take some more of my edge control, just a little bit more, and do my edges.
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love, I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon.
And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.
And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest.